Hello everyone, I am Sharon. For today's video, I will show you how to crochet tumbler holder in left-handed version. This video is edited for left-handed crocheters. Make sure to subscribe to keep updated. I am using Indafil acrylic 4-ply yarn in pistachio green, white and baby pink. I will use a cut-up round plastic canvas. The diameter is 3.5 inches. You can buy plastic canvas online. I did 5 rounds to get the size of the tumbler's diameter. We will make 2 pieces of this. Make a magic ring. Chain 2 doesn't count as a stitch. 12 double crochet into the ring. To end the round, slip stitch on top of the first double crochet made. Round 2. Chain 2 doesn't count as 1 stitch. 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Two double crochet into every stitch around. There should be a total of 24 double crochets by the end of this round. In the next clip, you will see how to end the round. To end the round, slip stitch on top of the first double crochet made. There should be a total of 24 DC at the end of this round. Round 3, chain 2, doesn't count as 1 stitch. 1 DC into the same stitch. 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Round 3, 2 double crochet into every second stitch around. There should be a total of 36 double crochet by the end of this round. Round 3. To end the round, slip stitch on top of the first double crochet made. Round 4. Chain 2 doesn't count as 1 stitch. 1 double crochet into the same stitch. 1 double crochet. 2 double crochet into the next. 2 double crochet into every third stitch around. There should be a total of 48 double crochet by the end of this round. Round 4. To end the round, slip stitch on top of the first double crochet made. Chain 2. It does not count as a stitch. 1 double crochet into the same stitch. 1 DC into the next stitch. 1 DC into the next stitch. Work 2 double crochet into every fourth stitch around. There should be a total of 60 double crochet by the end of this round. Round 5 is going to be the final round. We will make 2 pieces of this and then insert the plastic canvas in between. In the next clip, I will show you how to end the round. To end the round, slip stitch on top of the first double crochet made. We will insert the plastic canvas in between to make the base more stable. Join with double crochet stitches around. Round 6, chain 2. That doesn't count as one stitch. 1 double crochet into the same stitch. 1 double crochet into each of both stitches around. Continue working double crochet stitches around to close. Make sure the round plastic canvas inserted. To end the round, slip stitch on top of the first double crochet made. From here on, the total number of stitches per round should always be 60. For rounds 7 to 10, work 1 double crochet into each stitch around. This is what it looks like once round 10 is done. After slip stitching, you may now chain 1, then fasten off. We will now make the leaves. Make a slip knot first. Insert into any stitches. Work chain 2. One double crochet into the same stitch. We just did 1 double crochet 2 together, chain 1, then 1 more double crochet 2 together into the same stitch. We just did our first leaf. Skip 2 stitches. 1 double crochet 2 together, chain 1, 1 more double crochet 2 together, then skip 2 stitches, repeat around. In the next clip, I will show you how to end the round. To end the round, slip stitch on top of the first double crochet 2 together, chain 1, then cut off the yarn. Using the white yarn, we will work a mesh stitches around to hold the tulips. In the next round, make a slip knot. Slip stitch to join in between the 2 leaves. Chain 3. This count as 1 double crochet stitch followed by chain 2, 1 double crochet in between the next 2 leaves. Chain 2. Then work 1 double crochet in between the next 2 leaves. Repeat around. Round 13. We will make the tulips next. Round 13. Make a slip knot. Insert yarn into the chain 1 space and work a chain. Chain 2, then work a puff stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 more puff stitches into the same stitch. Make 2 Round 13. Reinsert the hook on top of the first puff stitch, then make a slip stitch. Round 13. Chain 1 into the hole, then work 3 single crochets. Round 13. Repeat, making tulip stitches into each chain 1 around. Round 13. To end the round, slip stitch on top of the first puff stitch made. Chain 1, then cut off the yarn. Round 14. Get back to the white yarn. Pull the look to front and through the stitch. Chain 2, then 1 DC into the same stitch. Two double crochet into the chain 2 space, 1 DC on top of each DC around. To end the round, slip stitch on top of the first DC. Repeat round 6 to 14. I will attach an elastic around instead of making a drawstring. I will sew both ends to make a circle. This is what it looks like. I will use a pair of swivel bag hooks and D-rings. I repeated round 6 to 14 twice. Of course, you can adjust how many layers of tulip stitches you want. Chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same stitch. I will insert the D-ring into the first 2 stitches. Once I get to the opposite side, I will insert the second D-ring. I will insert the ring under the last 2 stitches. To end the round, slip stitch on top of the first single crochet made. Chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet into each stitch around. To end the round, slip stitch on top of the first double crochet made. Chain 1, then fasten off. Work 1 double crochet back loop only into each stitch around. To end the round, slip stitch into the first double crochet made. Insert the elastic. Work on both stitches using single crochet and round. Chain 1, then 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Once you get back around, slip stitch on top of the first single crochet made. Chain 4, 1 treble crochet into the same stitch. Two treble into each stitch around. To end the round, slip stitch on top of the beginning 4th chain. Chain 1, then fasten off. Make a slip knot. For the edging, join yarn with slip stitch, then chain 1, slip stitch, then chain 1 into each stitch around. Turn inside out. Hide all the yarn tails, so it will look like this. This will fit the size of a flask that is about 3.5 inches in diameter and 9 inches tall. You can use this design for your MTO. Make sure to share my video in all social medias to help me produce more tutorials in the future. In the second part of the video, I will show you how to make the strap ear. Don't forget to like, comment if you would like to request for a specific tutorial, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching.